Hello and welcome in this video tutorial. I am Liba. In this video, I will explain you how to install Smeet in Linux computer. I use for this tutorial Linux Ubuntu. Please read the description of this video. First, install Wine. Open Wine website and click on Download. In the download page, search your Linux distribution and start the installation of Wine. Please, it's important to install the stable branch of Wine. If you don't see your Linux distribution on this list, just search on Google how to install Wine in your Linux distribution. If the installation of Wine are finished, install Lutris. Open Lutris website and click on Download in the top of this page. In the download page, search your Linux distribution and start the Lutris installation. If you have finished to install Wine and Lutris, you can download Smeet for Microsoft. Open smeet.com and click on Download for Microsoft here. If you use Firefox, select Save File and click on OK. If the download of Smeet desktop.exe are finished, you can close your web browser. If you have finished to install Wine, Lutris and download Smeet, you can start Lutris. This is a Lutris shortcut. You can add Lutris in your favorite. Right click and add to favorite. And launch Lutris. If you start Lutris for the first time, please wait. Lutris is started. I show you how to configure Lutris. First, click on Wine title here and click on Manage Version. In this Manage Wine version window, you have many Lutris versions. Select the first Lutris in the list, it's the new version. Automatically, Lutris starts the installation of this version. Please wait. For my example, it's Lutris 6.0. If the installation of your Lutris version is finished, you see your Lutris version are checked. You can click on OK. Now, click on this little square here to add Smeet. In the game info, in name case, write Smeet. In runner, choose Wine Run Windows Game. Click on Game option. In executable, click on Browse to search your Smeet apps. This is a Smeet desktop.exe. Select and click on OK. In prefix architecture, select Auto Default. Click on Runner option. You see here Enable DXVK. Click on it to disable this option. Now click Save. Select Smeet and click on this little wine glass here. Click on Wine Tricks. If you see this little window Wine Mono Installer, click on Cancel. If you see Wine Gecko Installer, click on Cancel. Don't never install Mono or Gecko for Smeet. You see a other Wine Gecko Installer window, click on Cancel. You see a Wine Tricks, choose a Wine Prefix window. Select Create New Wine Prefix and click on OK. In Architecture, select 32. In the name case, write Smeet on Linux. If you have select your architecture and write a new name, click on OK. Click on Yes. Click on OK. Now you see a little window. You have create a new wine prefix. If you see a other Wine Mono installer, click on Cancel. For Wine Gecko installer, click on Cancel. Please remember, don't never install Mono or Gecko for Smeet. In this new window, wine tricks current prefix is with your prefix in the last. Select Run Wine CFG. If you have select Run Wine CFG, click on OK. In this wine configuration window, on Application, select in Windows version Windows 7. Click on Apply and click on OK. Select Install a Windows DLL or component. Click on OK. In this package list, scroll with your mouse and search .NET 472. If you see .NET 472, select .NET 472 and click on OK. Lutris download and install .NET 472 and other .NET version. Please, this procedure can last 20 or 30 minutes. Be patient. When .NET installation is finished, the wine prefix page will reappear. The wine tricks current prefix window reappear. Your .NET installation is finished. Close this window. In a wine tricks choose a wine prefix window, select Disable Silent Install and click on OK. Now you see it's Enable Silent Install on the last option. Select your wine prefix. For my example, it's Smeet on Linux. And click on OK. Select Install a Windows DLL or component. Click on OK. With your mouse, scroll. And you see now, you have select .NET 472 and automatically Lutris install .NET 462, 461, 46, 45 and 40 version. Scroll with your mouse and search vcrun 2017. This is the vcrun 2017. Select vcrun 2017 and click on OK. Automatically, Lutris download and install vcrun 2017. You see this error window. Click on OK. On this window vcrun 2017 installer, select I agree to the license term and condition and click on Install. The installation of vcrun 2017 is finished. Click on Close. In this window error, click on OK. In this other window error, click on OK. Close Lutris. Open your home folder. For that, click on File. In your home folder, you see many folders: Download, Documents, Music, Picture, Publics, Template, Video, and other. Click on the option here and check Show Hidden Files here. You can close your home folder. It's important to restart Lutris after the .NET installation and the vcrun installation. Open Lutris. Right-click on Smeet and click Configure. Click on Game option. In the wine prefix line, click on Browse. Click on Home. Open .local folder. Open Chair folder. Open Wine prefix folder. Select your wine prefix folder. For my example, it's Smeet on Linux prefix. And click on OK. Click on Save. Now start the installation of Smeet. For that, it's really easy. Select Smeet and click on Play here. Select your language and click OK. Click on Next. Please uncheck Create a desktop shortcut and click on Next. Click on Install. Uncheck Launch Smeet and click on Finish. Right-click on Smeet and click on Configure. Click on Game option. Now I change the executable file. You remember I have add here smeetdesktop.exe. It's a Smeet installer. Click on Browse. And now I add the Smeet launcher. Click on Home. Open .local folder. Open Chair folder. Open Wine prefix folder. Open your prefix folder. For my example, it's Smeet on Linux folder. Open Drive C folder. Open Program Files folder. Open Smeet folder and search smeet.exe. This is my Smeet launcher, smeet.exe, and select smeet.exe and click on OK. Click on Save. Now you can start Smeet. Select Smeet and click on Play. Accept the condition. You have many options to connect your account, or click on Continue as guest to create a new account. I create a new account and I click on Let's Go. I close the volume. All is work. You can write on the chat box. You can dance. You can write on your profile. You can add smiley on the chat box. All is work. Now I will explain you how to install a new update. Imagine you come on Smeet and you see a big window with Update the new Smeet version. Click on Update. If you click on the Update button, automatically your web browser is open and you see a page like this page. Click on Download for Microsoft to download the new Smeet version for Windows. If you have finished to download the new version, install this version. For that, it's really easy. Right click on your Smeet launcher, click on Configure, click on Game option. In executable line, click on Browse to select the new Smeet you have downloaded previously. You select your new Smeet desktop exe, click on OK, and click on Save. Select Smeet and click on Play to start the new installation. It's really easy. Select your language, click on OK, uncheck Create a desktop shortcut, click on Next, and click on Install. This is the same version, it's just for example, don't worry. If you have finished install Smeet, uncheck Launch Smeet and click on Finish. Now I change my launcher, right click, configure, click on Game option, and the executable line here, I change and I make here smeet.exe. It's my Smeet launcher. Click on Home, open .local folder, open Chair folder, open wine prefix folder, open Smeet on Linux, it's my prefix folder for my example, open drive C folder, open program files folder, open Smeet folder, search your Smeet launcher, it's smeet.exe, this is my Smeet launcher, it's same launcher for you, smeet.exe, select smeet.exe and click on OK. Now you see my launcher is here, smeet.exe, and I click on save. That's perfect. If I select Smeet and I click on play, Smeet started. You see this banner, it's a Smeet launcher. You can add here a Smeet picture or a customized picture. For that, it's really easy. You can download from internet a Smeet picture or create a Smeet picture with your photo application. For my example, I download from internet a Smeet picture. Example, I download this picture. Right click on it and save image as. I select my picture folder and I click on save. Now I add this picture here. For that, it's really easy. Right click on it, click on configure, click on this gray banner, search your picture, select your picture and click on open. Click on save and you see now a new picture in my launcher button. That's perfect. This tutorial is finished. Thank you. Bye bye.